friends, Jeff Allen off the Green Iron Well today. I just emptied the back of the truck. I'm not in the woods. And I found this. This was heading into recycling. We came from the picket line the other day, and this was gifted to us. It's a 12-serving box for hot beverages, tea, chocolate, coffee, from Tim Hortons. And just before I tore it all down and threw it in recycling, I got to thinking the bladder inside might be able to be repurposed for something else. Obviously it stores liquids without spilling, so that's an option, but I came up with another option, and we're going to take it inside and wash this bladder out. I'm going to share with you what my thoughts are. Stick around. Hi guys, welcome back. Jeff Allen off the Green Iron. We'll see you in the woods. Okay, we've just come in from outside, and here's how it comes from the restaurant. Okay, Tim Hortons. Okay, 12 serving serving box for hot chocolate, tea, or coffee, and here's all the serving cups and lids, and this is the container, and quite handy to pour coffee, certainly with at a bulk meeting or an opportunity where you have to have more than one coffee. This is the way to go. I think it sells for about $20. So the cartons come all tear down, and obviously they construct the carton, but inside they have this large bladder, and it's obviously waterproof, or certainly it doesn't leak because it does serve liquids. The cap is tightens quite snug. The lining, it's almost like a mylar. It's quite strong. I can't tear it, but it's actually insulative. It has that insulative qualities. Reinforced seams around the outside, and my initial thought was if this could be used as certainly a water or a fluid carrying device, but also if I were to wash it out and inflate it, obviously a large hole to inflate, seal it up tightly. I wonder if that would act as a pillow, because it certainly folds down and collapses down. I can't afford some of these Sea to Summit or inflatable pillows, but that is just a perfect size, especially if I make a fabric liner and stitch up a liner for that to fit in. The plug or the nozzle offset to one side of the bag would keep it out of the way. That would also go on the bottom, and then you're left with a large pillow to sleep on, certainly in a pinch. It may even have some warming qualities to it with this kind of a mylar heat reflective lining. So we're going to put it under load. We're going to wash it out, put it under load, see if it does exhaust any air prematurely. And if it doesn't, we might be onto something here on how to repurpose the inner beverage lining of the Tim Hortons multi-serve container. That would be great for a camping pillow. Let's just see what it looks like when it rolls up. So obviously it deflates very quickly. Deflates down to nothing, and if we're mindful on how to fold, and I think if we rolled this, and again it's pushing the air out as we do so, back on. It's about the size of your fist, or certainly about the size of the half a cup of coffee, and that would easily tuck in the corner of a pack or in the top of your compression sack for your sleeping bag or sleep system. When you need a pillow, fold it out. Two breaths is plenty. Slide it in your kind of a fabric casing, just to, if you had one, or you just put something over top of that on your ground pad, and yeah, it feels like it would work really well. There's actually a warming feeling when my face is on the surface. So I'm wondering if that heat reflective capability would also keep that pillow warm with your body heat. Let's go put some pressure on it and see if it works. All right, we just come over to the couch and we're just going to field test our Tim Hortons multi-serve kind of hot drink bladder, and to see if this would work as a pillow. So we just unfold it. A little bit of a trick to fully inflate it, but typically the pillows aren't fully inflated anyways. And what we're going to do is put the valve side down, and you can see that it's offset, so it's not right under your head. I'll set something like that. And kick off my shoes. Let's have it try it on the flat surface here. That works. And I think I could actually feel that reflective coating kind of just trap the air, and because I can feel it warm on my head. Can't hear any air loss. Cap's nice and snug. Obviously it has to be watertight, so surely it should be airtight. Oh, that's a win. That's for sure. So what we're going to try to do now is go downstairs, stitch a little, some kind of a cover for it. That'll make it a little more comfortable, and a little fabric cover, zip something, sew something up really quickly, and that'll be perfect substitute for somebody that can't afford these $60, $70, $80 inflatable pillows. So there you go. That's a win. Well, thanks for joining me today. Thanks, Tim Hortons. This is certainly a pretty neat invention. Certainly to serve beverages, but also to repurpose as a camping pillow, survival pillow, bushcraft pillow, certainly an inflatable pillow. Certainly provides a different option for your kit if you can't afford some of these higher end pillows, should you even feel like you need a pillow in the outdoors. Anyways, Jeff Allen off the Gridiron. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy your outdoors. See you later.